fills the car. The groan of stressed metal. The elevator begins to vibrate with a terrifying, bone-jarring intensity. The emergency light sputters, threatening to plunge them back into total darkness. "We're sorry." Chloe screams into the air. "We're sorry for what happened to you." "Sorry isn't enough." The voice shrieks, the sound peaking into a feedback screech that forces them to cover their ears. "You feel what I felt." And then, they are falling. The floor drops out from under them. It's not a slide, it's a sickening, weightless plummet. Screams are torn from their throats, a single, unified sound of pure terror. The world is a blur of red light and their own flailing limbs. It stops as suddenly as it began, with a crash that throws them to the floor in a heap. The emergency light dies for good. They are in absolute, perfect blackness. Silence returns, broken only by ragged, panicked gasps for air. Is everyone okay?" Liam's voice is a choked whisper from the darkness. A wet, gurgling sound answers him from near